In this video, I want to go through some examples of writing numbers as a product of their prime factors. Now, before we jump into the examples, the first thing I would recommend you doing is writing down the first 5 or 6 prime numbers, okay, from memory. So, the first 5 or 6 prime numbers. So the first one is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13. Okay, so there's the first 6. Okay, so example number 1, 22. So 22. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from the top of our list. So does 2 go into 22? Yes, it does. It goes in 11 times. So 2 is prime, but also 11 is prime. So 22 is just 2 times 11. Okay, I have now written it as the product of its prime factors. Okay, so that's the first one. Nice and straightforward. Okay, 24. So, from the top of the list, does 2 go into 24? Yes, it does. It goes in 12 times. Now, 2 is prime, but 12 is not. So, we go back to the top of the list. Does 2 go into 12? Yes, it does. It goes in 6 times. 2 is prime, 6 is not. Now, does 2 go into 6? Yes, it does. It goes in 3 times. So, 2 times 3. 2 is prime, but 3 is prime also. So, I am done. So 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 2 cubed times 3. Okay, so that's 24. So next example is number 25. So does 2 go into 25? No. Does 3 go into 25? No. Does 5 go into 25? Yes, it goes in 5 times. 5 is prime. So we're done. So 25 is just 5 squared. Okay, as straightforward as that. 150 is next. Now, does 2 go into 150? Well, yes, it does. It goes in 75 times. So 2 is prime, but 75 is not. Now, does 2 go into 75? No. Does 3 go into 75? Yes. It goes in 25 times. So 3 is prime, but 25 is not. Now, does 2 go into 25? No. Does 3 go into 25? No. Does 5 go into 25? Yes. So it goes in 5 times. So 150 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 5, so 5 squared. Okay, last one, 360. So 360. Does 2 go into 360? Yes, it goes in 180 times. 2 is prime, 180 is not. Now, does 2 go into 180? Yes, it goes in 90 times. 2 is prime, 90 is not. Now, does 2 go into 90? Yes, it goes in 45 times. 2 is prime, 45 is not. Now, 2 doesn't go into 45, but 3 does. 3 goes in 15 times. 3 is prime, 15 is not. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 is prime, 5 is prime. So we're done. So 360 is 2 times 2 times 2, so 2 cubed, times 3, which is 3 squared, times by 5. Okay, and we're done.